Hello everybody! Today I am traveling home for Thanksgiving. I just took an exam, I've had kind of a crazy day finishing up school, but now it's time to head out. I'm packing my stuff. I don't even have a suitcase right now, it's at my grandparents' house, so we're figuring that out. But gonna pack my stuff, put it in a bag, switch it over to my suitcase when I can. So this is the first time that we're gonna be apart. How you feeling? How you feeling? Well, I'm sad. So I just packed my bag. It's literally a trash bag of my backpack for my schoolwork. Just because it's break doesn't mean I don't have homework, and I'm waiting for my roommate to get here and then we're gonna leave. But she happened to be going up to Salt Lake anyway, so she's dropping me off at the airport on my way up there. We're getting there. I am unloading my stuff into the car and then we are ready to get going. Come here, Hiccup, come here. He just wants to play. He wouldn't let me walk in. Come on. Okay, now I'm dropping Hiccup off. This is so sad. What do you have to say? He's excited. He knows his friends are here and Finn's here, so this is a win for him. But it's sad for me. It's okay, it's only for a few days.
I think I only put 4.
So I made it to the airport. The traffic was kind of bad. Like everybody is leaving for Thanksgiving right now. I saw like 10 students literally just here all of a sudden because classes ended today. But yeah, I thought it'd be busier than it is, so that's kind of nice. I got here a little bit early. It's currently 6:21. My flight doesn't leave for another 3 hours. So I'm just gonna chill and do some homework. I'm missing Hiccup. I'm so sad that he's gone. But it's only a few days, so I'm doing that. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun trip. And I'm ready to be home. So I'm sitting, waiting. I've been here for like about an hour. My flight leaves pretty soon, so I'm just studying. It's really nice. Some guy decided to start playing the piano over there, so we got some nice background music. Also look, set up the Christmas tree, and it feels like the holidays. It's so exciting. It doesn't feel like Thanksgiving. It's so weird, but it's like so close to Christmas. We're like really close. I just landed. It is like 1 a.m. and I am so tired and ready to go to bed. So I had class at 8 a.m. this morning and took an exam, so I'm like done. But Rylan came to pick me up, so we're gonna go say hi. Ash, come here. Ash, who is it? So, I am home, made it back home. I am ready for the day. Rylan, it's Paisley, come say hi. And I just have to say, it is so warm out here. Has it been colder than this?
No, yes, it has.
It's literally so cold.
I know.
When I walk to school, like, I have to wear like 3 coats because it's so cold.
Me and Sophia were outside. We was like, let's go inside now because it was so hot.
Yeah, it's hot
And then
out
we were
here.
working up a sweat on the trampoline.
Yeah, it's warm. But I'm home for Thanksgiving now. And
see me, she didn't bring Hiccup though, so.
I didn't bring Hiccup, which is sad. But we're heading to the office to do some work. So I was like with a bunch of friends and we were joking because they were like, oh, are you guys excited for break? And somebody goes, oh yeah, I'm so excited to catch up on all my homework. And I thought that was so funny because it is just like what life is as a college student. It's like when you get a break, it's not like, well, there's 2 kinds of college students, but I feel like the majority, or at least my friends, it's not like, oh yay, we get to like chill and like watch movies all day. It's like, oh, but now we get to do the stuff we don't get to do every day, and like now we get to do homework without having to learn new stuff. That's what I'm doing this break. I am sleeping a little bit more, but I am catching up with my homework because as soon as I get back, like a week and a half later, I start my final exam. It is Thanksgiving morning, and everybody knows what that means. It pretty much means it is time to bake all day long. So I am put on apple pie duty. Paisley's gonna be helping me, and then we're just gonna be hanging out all day until dinner. So I'm kind of excited. There's a hair, that's what that is. So I'm excited. I love apple pie. It is my favorite part of Thanksgiving, so I'm glad that I get to make it this year. Also, my family got a golf cart while we were gone. Well, I was gone at school, so we're gonna drive that too, which is fun. Okay, so we are on the golf cart. It is nice and cold out here, huh, Baze?
Why do you think I look like this?
And
It's like I'm in a cocoon.
I took Paisley for some driving lessons. Our apple pie is baking. And now
Should be done soon.
now we're just blasting some music while driving around.
Can we pick crazy music?
No, I picked Teen Beach Movie, and she did not like it.
No.
But I'm gonna make her watch the movie, and then she'll like it.
I've already seen it and I don't like it.
It's such a good movie.
Make me watch it. You won't get me to. So.
I'm just not gonna do it. This is so hard. Bro, try and do it. It's hard. Making TikToks while I'm doing homework.
Ah, don't judge.
It's a juice, strawberry, orange, banana juice.
She made us breakfast.
Yeah. I can't spell.
And we get to pick a game, an appetizer, a main, and a drink. Or limited edition hot chocolate. Or limited edition hot chocolate.
Hope you have a safe flight.
I am on my way out now, back home.
I'm coming with her. Just kidding. No, I'm not.
Paisley thinks she's coming with me. She wants to come out and visit me though.
I want to. For Christmas.
But we'll see. But I'm on my way out. Alright, so I am finally home, back settled, and wish I was back on vacation, because the thing that's bad about Thanksgiving break is it's really short. First of all, mine was only like 3 days, but right after you get home, it's like you're hitting the ground running for finals, and I have so many tests. Like, I think I calculated mine have like 8 in the next 16 days. Mine are lined up super weird to make it to where like I have tests and then an exam like a few days later, so that's really mean. But hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me going home for Thanksgiving. It was fun. It's a good break, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.